Fish on! What have we got? Welcome back to Caden's Fishing Adventures YouTube channel. Today I'm just doing a quick, easy session. I am down the Knap in Barry, South Wales. Very popular mark. Fishing can be really good down here on this day. So one of them beaches, you can go there, you can catch nothing, and then you could go there the next tide and bag yourself a few fish. I'm only down here today to use up some old bait from the freezer. It's all opened bait, but leftover bait that I haven't used. Instead of throwing it away, sometimes I do these quick, easy, non-effortless sessions, or effortless sessions, should I say? Non-effortless. I mean effortless sessions, quick and easy. Fish basically out of the van. The van's behind me, just on top of the pebbles by there. I am on the right hand side of the Knap today. It is currently a Sunday. From the left hand side of me all the way down to Tom's Point, it's rammed. But yeah, I'm here. I've been here for about half an hour. I'm about an hour and a half from high water. I'm just gonna fish a few hours. If I don't catch anything, I don't catch anything. Not expecting anything, as I'm just using old bait. But yeah, what a beautiful day. Hardly any wind. Look at the sea, it's completely flat. It's a lovely day. There's a guy on the right hand side of me, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's got to be over 25 people on the beach. My dad's on his way down. He's going to use some leftover bait that he got in his freezer as well. We're probably going to fish a couple of hours either side. Well, 2 hours up, say, hour and a half up, hour to turn, and maybe 2-3 hours down. I'm just going to fish until I've used most of my bait. But yeah, what a beautiful day. I do apologise about the non-consistent posting on my YouTube channel, which I'm not happy with myself. Going through some difficulties with the van I have. So I don't know whether you've watched my previous videos before where my last van blew up. I ended up having to buy a new van, only to blow the engine in my new van last week. So I've been currently doing an engine swap on the van, but fingers crossed, it's all done now. My hands are battered and bruised. Me, my dad, my cousin and my uncle doing an engine swap. We had to take an engine out of another van that was down my uncle's friend's yard, take my engine out of my van, and then put the new engine in. So fingers crossed, the van's all sorted now. I've just been having some bad luck. It's about time I've had some good luck. But yeah, I do apologise about the non-consistent videos, that I'm not happy with myself either. But let's get on with today's video. Whether we catch or not, it's nice to just get out and get rid of all the stress that I've been having. But yeah, things are starting to pick up in the Bristol channel, fishing wise. There's been a few fish caught, and it will continue to start picking up. And fingers crossed, the channel will be absolutely rammed again with fish. Let's get into the video. Enjoy. I had a bluey and squid bait on this one. Reeling, reeling, reeling. Hope everyone's been okay. Been out fishing. The weather's getting a bit better now. Only means one thing. All the marks are going to be rammed. It's mad to see, to be fair, because like, well, I've been going out all winter, and like most of the marks you could turn up like an hour before high. Come the summer now, in spring, you have to be on your marks for low water. Got mackerel, bluey and squid on this one. Where's my other line? There she is. Don't know whether I was in shot of the camera then. Do apologise. It's another bait out there. I spoke to the guy who packed up next to me, and he's been here since 8 o'clock this morning, and which is 2 hours after low, I think it was today. And I think low was at 5 o'clock and he come at 8, so say 3 hours. He'd been here all day, only just left. It's about 12 o'clock now. I think he said he had a few dogfish, and he haven't seen nothing come out. Sorry, I need to spit my words out. You haven't seen anything come out all the way up to the left of him. Like I say, whether I catch or not today, I'm going to make the video. I'm going to put the video out as I always do. And yeah, it's called fishing, not catching. The amount of videos I've got on my channels where I've blanked, and you lot have still enjoyed it. Like I say, people understand that every video you're not going to guarantee catch, which you're not. That's why it's called fishing and not catching. Fishing is not just for catching fish for me. It's getting out, get rid of that stress, and just relax, forget about everything. I think I've been having a few little taps on the left-hand rod. I am using long dongles again today. 100-pound Maxima Chameleon. No pulley bead, just a bead, swivel bead, down to a imp 7-ounce lead. Just a standard pulley rig with a dongle on the business end. 5/0 circle, or it might be a 4/0 circle. 300-pound braid with a dongle ring on the end. And where we attach the circle hook to the hook length, we don't do a normal knot. If many of you use the dongle, you will already know, but if you haven't used the dongle before, we use a perfection loop. So it's like a loop, and the hook can just swing around. It gives a bit of play in the water. Hence, with a dongle rig, you shouldn't strike. With a circle hook, if you're getting a few pullovers or a few bites, just nose down, you tip down to the rod, reel in till you feel a bit of weight on your reel, and just lift up slowly and just carry on reeling in. If you strike, you'll pull the fish, the hooks out the fish. You should never strike. I'm sure you all already know how to use a dongle. There's a few young lads fishing a bit further down, about 100 yards away from me. They look really young, fair play to them, getting out, doing a bit of fishing. It's the weather. Sand eel, bit of mackerel and some squid. That'll do. So, second cast. Spotted ray. And it had me. Nice little spotted. Just sat on my bait. I was reeling in to move down. And beautiful female spotted ray. Can't complain with that, to be fair. As we came down, not expecting to catch anything, if I'm honest, and this beautiful little spotted on the dongle rig. Go that for a hook point. Beautiful little spotted ray. Second cast. Turned up an hour before high tide. As soon as the tides start dropping down, it's nearly on the sand now. It's only at a small tide. And got my spotted for the slam. All I need is a foam back ray now. Buzzing with that. I'm gonna get a picture and send this beautiful spotted from the Knap back in the sea. Yeah, beautiful fish on all old bait. I haven't brought any fresh bait with me today. I've literally got everything that's been frozen and unfrozen that's been put back in the freezer to use up on this session. Well, happy with that. Happy days. Second cast. No, I didn't know it was on there. Just reeling in to move down, wasn't I? Beautiful spotted ray on our second cast. Just need the thorn back ray now. Send this fish back safely. Didn't even know the fish was on there. And he's gone. Well happy with that. Second cast. Beautiful. Yeah, so I'm buzzing with that spotted ray I just had. Second cast. We are chasing the tide out now. Like I said, we're using all old bait today. On there, I got anchovy and squid. Yeah, I'm happy with that, to be fair. The second cast on old bait. Fish on! What have we got? Have we got the old doggy? Oh, she's pulling back. Some in there. That don't feel like a dogfish. I'm more than happy with just that spotted. Using just old bait. Doggy. Got the old dogfish. Wait there, pass here. That's right, right. The old dogfish. Not going to moan with that though. Old bait, spotted. Second species of the day. Baby dog. Get him on hook straight away. Get him back. Look at that. Even with a dogfish on the dongle. Straight in the corner of the mouth. No swallowing the bait. This hook. Straight out. Doggy. It was inevitable I was going to probably catch one of them today if we were going to catch a fish. Yeah, so I'm not going to complain with that as we're only using old bait today. So if we were going to catch a fish, I thought it probably would have just been a doggy log, but managed that spotted. I'm well happy with that. I needed a spotted for my slam as well, so worked out to be alright, to be fair. Like some of the bait I'm using have been unfrozen from sessions where I haven't used it, even though the packet's still closed. Like I haven't opened the packet. Well, some has been closed, some haven't. Like the eels and all that I've got, like them blueies, they look alright, but they've been unfrozen and frozen quite well. Quite a few times, but I haven't used them. And like if you look at some of this, like these B grey sand eel, they're minging, like there's only a few in there, and they've been out, and I haven't used them, but they were open. Look at this, look, I've even got a whiting in here. Where I caught a whiting throughout the winter that I was going to use for bait. And I haven't used it. Look, it's freezer burnt. Whiting. Just been in my freezer. The save's throwing it. I use it for bait. I hate wasting bait. So if I don't use my bait by the time I go, I always bring too much bait with me when I'm fishing. So what I find is I still have loads of stuff left going home where I don't use it. But I hate wasting bait. It's not cheap nowadays. It's not cheap at all. So I don't really like wasting it, to be honest. Like just going out, having a session. If I don't catch anything, I don't catch anything. If I do, bonus. Like I have today, doggy and a spotted second cast. Worth me coming out with the old bait. Bluey and squid bait going out this time. starting to get a bit cold now. It was lovely earlier. My dad haven't caught anything yet. Like I say, he don't mind. He's got old bait as well. And with the stress we've had with the van, obviously my dad have had a car, but he lives like 30 odd minutes away from me, so for him to come pick me up for a session, etc. Not that he don't mind picking me up. He have picked me up a few times when my van's been broke. But because we've just been busy with the van, we haven't really thought about fishing. Here we are. Bluey and squid bait on the dongle. There it goes, love. Literally just casted that out. There we go, look. I'm not going to show you any more dogfish. Get it in a minute. Right then, lads and lasses and lads. That is it. Short and sweet session to get out, use some old bait that was in the freezer instead of it going to waste. Ready, you? Instead of it going to waste, ended the session with a spotted second cast and 2 dogfish. Didn't expect anything, if I'm honest. I'm gonna get sand everywhere now, aren't I? Yeah, didn't expect anything, if I'm honest. The beach is empty now. When I came here, it was absolutely rammed. Didn't expect much. Ended with a spotted 2 dogfish and Dad El Blankioed. You, Dad? Right. Enjoyed it though, didn't you? Yeah, of course. Yeah, we didn't expect much. We both literally used old bait, so whether we was going to catch or not is another story. But I haven't seen anything else come in, so maybe I was just hitting them pockets of fish that were out there in different areas of the beach, or maybe I was just casting straight on top of them and getting quite good at that. Did that with my blonde not long ago on Nels. It was in the water for 5 minutes and I had my PB blonde. But yeah, I'm going to leave you there. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit that like, comment and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. We're nearly on 1,000 subscribers and that's our first milestone. Thanks to everyone who do keep watching the videos, and everyone is interacting with the videos as well, and everyone who's sharing it. I appreciate you all, and I'll see you on the next one.